What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add round border to a video in CapCut PC. Here you can see I have a video in timeline. So first of all click or select your layer, then go to video and basic, scale down to see the what I am doing, and then go to mask option, click here and then add mask option. Now resize your mask. I want to select all part of my video. Then you can see here is a icon like this. Just drag to make a round border, or you can also do this from here. Here you can see I'm doing the rounded border like this. So you can make a round border following this method. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.